What's up, you guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I did this like festival EDC Coachella look, whatever. So if you want to see how I achieved this, then keep on watching. Got my eyebrows done, and this eye is primed and everything, and then I already did this eye, obviously. So let's begin. Alright, so for this whole look, I'm going to be using this palette, the 35B by Morphe. Alright, we're going to start with this, wait, where is it? Oh no, this one. This dark purple. This dark purple. And basically, you're just going to put it all over your lid. And then I'm using this brush. It's like a flat, fluffy brush. Anyways, you just pack on that color, and then with the other side where there's like barely any product, you start like blending it upwards so it won't be like a super like harsh line. Oh, and then what I use to do my eyebrows and prime my eyelids is the Anastasia pomade, and what did I use? Oh, the Frankie Rose concealer to prime my eyelids. Whew. If you guys wanted to know. And then with any clean, fluffy brush, you want to like blend all this out like right under your eyebrow, because once again, we don't want that harsh line. Alright, so once you have packed on that dark purple and blended this out right here, we're gonna like cut the crease how you see on this side, but like not all the way. It's like a quarter cut crease. Okay, let's see, where's the brush? Hello, where are you? Okay, so then with a flat brush like this, you're gonna cut your crease. Alright, so instead of starting like at the corner like usual and then going, you're gonna start like a little bit away from your corner of your eye, like half a centimeter. I don't know. Oh, so once you have that like cut a little or whatever, you just want to fill it in with concealer, but not like all the way out here. You just want this quarter of your eye, and just wipe off the excess concealer, and then whatever's left on your eye, you just want to spread it out so it could like look like ombre effect. You know what I mean? Jelly beans. Alright, then you go back in with your purple brush and don't put product on it anymore. Just like use whatever is on it to blend and make it more ombre-ish. And then with like a slanted brush, almost like a eyebrow brush, you want to grab some product and then put it like on the outside of the cut crease, if you know what I mean. And then you want to grab the white eyeshadow. You grab the white eyeshadow from this palette, and you put it right where you cut the crease. Alright, and then with a white eyeliner, I'm using the Infallible Paints liquid eyeliner. It's called White Party. likes Cardi? Because I do. Okay. And then the eyeliner is going to turn a little bit purple, but that's okay because it's going to look beautiful. Alright, next, with this same eyeliner, we are going to do our eyeliner. Let's get to it. I can't. Let me make this little line real quick and then... Alright, so then you make your little line and then you just... The top line, you just kind of just... go straight. A little easier said than done, but... And like Jenny69 says, eyeliner never gets easier. You just, you know, gotta grow bigger balls to do your eyeliner. The eyeliner is gonna turn like a lavender color, and that is okay because that's what we want. A purple look. Okay, so it's definitely not the same, but who cares? Because it might just come off anyways. Does anyone else struggle with eyeliner like I do? Alright, next you grab your glitter glue, or you could also use eyelash glue, like a little bit, but for this I don't want like intense glitter. I just want like whatever, a little bit of glitter. So we're gonna use the glitter glue by Too Faced. And then I'm gonna use this glitter. It's like a white, almost like transparent glitter. And let's see. With the same brush, I just take some and then dab it on there. Alright, so once you're done with that, you could just like pop your lashes on. And the ones I'm going to be using today are not the same ones, but they're the 203 Ardell's. It's like a more intense version of the ones I usually use, which are the 206 Ardell's. These are like more full, for like more of a glam type of look. And then the glue I'm going to be using today is the Kiss glue. And you wait for it to dry. Well, for it to get like tacky. Careful to not wipe the eyebrows off. Something I forgot was you want to put like highlight on your brow bone, and I'm going to be using the Spectra from the Aurora Glow Kit from Anastasia. And then since this is like a festival look, you just want to go all out. Cut your cheeks, contour the nose, bronze up. It's okay to be extra. A little bit of blush. I'm using the Tarte Party. Literally. Wait, can you see it? Nope. Well, it says Party. Just a little bit of that. Ow. Alright, and then in the same palette, we're gonna take the shade, the lighter purple shade, to put under our eye. And then next, we want to carefully put your mascara on because we don't want a mistake like last time. Okay, next we're going to highlight. I'm going to be using the Marcel highlight palette. And I'm just going to spray this. And if you guys are wondering why I do this, it's because it gives a more intense highlight. I mean, try it for yourself and see if it works. See? Put some on your Cupid's bow, your nose, cheeks. A little bit on your chin. And you want to put it kind of like right here, like on your cheeks. So like when people are like staring at you, they can like see that blinding highlight. You want to be shiny. Okay, next you could just like put setting spray on your face. I won't do a lot because I always do a lot when I'm not going anywhere. Anyways. Okay. Now to the fun, complicated part. We're gonna be putting these little jewels on our face. Not those, these. So these, I got them at Walmart for $4. You get 2 for $4. And they're like sticky, so you don't have to like put glue on them, you know? Alright, and it's my first time using like these type. So, I can't tell you how good they are because I've never used them. So these are individual ones, so if I lose one, it's over for me. Okay, whatever. Whatever, let's start. Oh, see, almost lost one. How does this go?
It was at this moment that Emily knew. She fucked up.
Wow. This might take me like 30 minutes. Who knows? How does this go? Okay. Okay. Alright, so I'll be back. Let me just put this whole bottom row on and I'll be back. Alright, so here are the bottom ones. They're not even at all, but who cares? They're pretty cute, to be honest. Now we gotta put these on there. Oh no, that was a tiny one. Damn it. Okay. Why me? Oh, yes. There we go. I be feeling myself too much with these little things on me. But it does have like a little arrow like to put right here, but I'm not gonna do that. Instead, I'm just gonna put, again, I just lost another one. Put these in like a little bowl, that would be smart. So if they like wanna jump out, it could just pop back in. Wait for me while I look for, oh, found it. Okay, found it. Right there. There we go. And then put your lipstick on. Which one? We're gonna be using the 951 by Coulourpop. That's literally all I use. Alright, we wait for that to dry. And then we're gonna be putting like a white line right here. Isn't this so cute? I'm shook because I want to go out and wear this, but I'm not going to Coachella or EDC. There, you can see it now. So, oh, and then my hair. All I did was like part my hair in the middle and then start doing a braid here and a braid here, and then, well, I curled my hair before. So yeah, and then you kind of, you tease it. You tease the little ponytail and then. Alright, so this is the finished look, as you can see. And if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much. Also, thank you for my last video, like all the likes and comments. You guys are so nice. And well, keep on subscribing and liking. And well, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I'm so in love with myself.